Hello and welcome to the OneTab stand at Green Live in Westfield, London. Here to show you today is the revolution of spray bottles. Now, your regular detergent contains 5% of the stuff that you need and the rest is all water. So 95% of the average bottle that you buy is water. Now, it costs money to move all of that weight. We can cut all of that CO2 emission by 97% by simply taking that good stuff and putting it into these tablets here. This is what OneTab is. The idea is that you have one bottle that you use for an entire lifetime. You use one tablet to fill up 750 ml and you're good to go for as long as you need it. So, the next question is, does it work? And the answer is yes, but I'm going to show you. Now, the main one that we talk about is the multi-purpose. This is the one that can handle everything. This can cover all of the surfaces in your house. But if you wanted to get something more specific, maybe you have more trouble in the bathroom or you're more focused on cleaning in the kitchen, we have different things for those. Now, the biggest enemy in the bathroom is, of course, limescale. So we have the bathroom tile here with some limescale, partly dried, a little bit wet. I'm going to show you how well it cleans on that surface. So this is our bathroom. So limescale is notoriously difficult to get off. A quick spray, it's a mix of some of the dry and some of the wet. It's pretty efficient stuff. So that's one enemy in the bathroom done, dusted. Your next one, let's say you have some messy, I don't know, children. I'm pretty messy. Sometimes I squish strawberries into glass surfaces. So I'm gonna take my glass cleaner, which is this guy, and I'm gonna apply it to this to get rid of it instantly. Quick spray, and I don't even need to wait for it to soak. Now, the other one is kids come home from football, they haven't taken their shoes off in time, now your kitchen's got mud on it. It's in the wood grain, that's the hardest thing because now you have to lift it out of that wood grain. I'm gonna go to the floor, which I believe is this guy. This has traveled a long way, by the way. This mud has come from a long distance. Once again, with the grain of the wood coming off, no problem whatsoever. So your main enemies, limescale, food, mud, all sorted. Now the one that everybody wants to see is makeup in the carpet. Maybe I'm doing my highlighter, maybe a little bit goes on the carpet. I think we all know this one. There's some people nodding in the crowd there. So let's just get a little bit, put it on here. We can be a bit generous with this. Let's say you brushed it in as well. This is where our multi-purpose comes in. This is the guy that deals with every surface that we have. Straight into the surface. So we can prove that it works. We know that it works. Everything here is plant-based. It's vegan, it's cruelty-free, it's no microplastics, all biodegradable. And we're cutting our emissions by 97% because we're not shifting the water. We're just taking the good stuff to give to you, to put into your bottle, to get going. So that's it from OneTab. Hopefully it's something that you're interested in. Thank you so much for watching.